Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Vizio TV. Since Vizio smart TVs do not natively support the Fortnite application, you will need an external gaming device. This could be a PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or a personal computer. The process involves connecting your chosen device directly to your Vizio television, ensuring you have the game ready to go. Let's get started with the essential setup steps. Now, let's connect your gaming device to your Vizio TV. First, find an open HDMI port on the back or side of your television. There are usually 3 or 4 available. Next, take one end of an HDMI cable and plug it into your gaming console or PC. Then, connect the other end of the HDMI cable into the chosen port on your Vizio TV. Finally, use your Vizio remote to select the corresponding For a downward bubble column, you will need a magma block. Place this magma block at the base of your water column. Just like with soul sand, it is essential that all water blocks directly above the magma block are full source blocks. This configuration will generate bubbles that pull players and items downwards, making it ideal for rapid descents into underwater structures or for creating clever traps. To enhance your Fortnite experience, consider a few optimizations. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial. A wired Ethernet connection is often superior to Wi-Fi for online gaming. Also, check your Vizio TV's picture settings. Many Vizio models offer a game mode which can significantly reduce input lag, making your controls feel more responsive. Finally, ensure your seating and controller are comfortable for those long gaming sessions. Enjoy your battles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.